Good morning students. Today we will study chapter 8 geometry part 2nd. In previous class we also discussed about line, array, line segment or types of lines and point. These are we discussed about in previous class. Today we will study triangles. Today we study angles. What do you mean angle? An angle is formed, two rays are forming an angle. Two rays are forming. This is a ray. This is a ray. I draw another ray. This is another ray. Two rays are forming an angle. Two rays are forming an angle. An angle has one vertex. This is our vertex. The initial point of two rays, the joining point of two rays, this is our vertex. This is vertex. Then this and this arm, this is also arm. What is that? Angle. Two rays are forming an angle. It has one vertex and two arms. One vertex and two arms. Then the naming the angle, it represent this A, B, C. Angle A, B, C. It represents, the naming of the angle is angle A, B, C. Then the points inside, the points, this is angle A, B, C. The points inside the angle is called, the points inside the angle is called interior points. The points inside the angle is called interior points. The points outside the angle is called exterior points. Then in our question, write the vertex. This is our question. Write vertex, arms, points inside or points. This is X, this is Y. Write vertex, arm, then points in interior, points interior, points outside exterior, points exterior, and points on the circle, points on the angle. Then these are we write in this. First, vertex. What is the vertex on this angle? B is the vertex. B. This is the vertex. The two rays are forming an initial point, starting point. This point is called vertex. This is our vertex. Then arms. BA, then BC. BA and BC are the arms. Then interior points. Interior points, that is points inside the angle, that is point T, point R. Next, exterior. exterior. What are the exterior points? Point K, point L, that is outside the ankle. Next, on the ankle. On the ankle ABC. On the ankle ABC, that is X and Y. Point X and point Y. Understand you? Vertex, arm, interior, exterior, points on the angle ABC. This is the angle of the ankle. Then next, types of ankles. Types of ankles. Types of angle. First, acute angle. Acute angle. An angle measure is between 0 to 90 degree. An angle measure lies between 0 degree to 90 degree. 0 to 90 degree angle is called acute angle. 0 to 90 degree measurement lies between 0 to 90 degree is called acute angle. Second angle is, this is the acute angle. Okay, this is the acute angle ABC. Then second, a right angle. A right angle. The measurement of 90 degree measurement. 90 degree measurement is called right angle. 90 degree measurement is called right angle. This is right angle. This is right angle. Then third, obtuse angle. An angle measure lies between 90 degree to 180 degree. An angle measure is lies between 90 degree to 180 degree, that is called obtuse angle. 90 degree to 180 degree, between 90 degree to 180 degree measurement is called obtuse angle. Next, straight angle. Straight angle. Straight angle. 180 degree. This is an obtuse angle. This is an obtuse angle. 180 degree. 180 degree is called straight angle. This is the straight angle. 180 degree is called straight angle. Next, fifth, reflex angle. An angle measure between 180 to 360 degree. 180 to 360 degree angle is called reflex angle. Reflex angle. This is reflex angle. This is reflex angle. This is reflex angle. Next, complete angle. complete angle. 360 degree is called complete angle. 360 degree is called complete angle. Again, types of angles. First, acute angle 0 degree to 90 degree. Then second, right angle 90 degree. Then obtuse angle 90 degree to 180 degree. Straight angle 180 degree. Then reflex angle between 180 to 360 degree. Then last angle, complete angle is 360 degree. These are the types of angles. Then you understand the angles. Types of angles you understand. Again, first angle is acute angle. The measurement is. Then one more angle is zero angle. This is not in your class. They you study in 5th class. Zero angle. Then both in zero angle, both leaves are in overlaps the angle. This line. This is a zero angle. This is zero angle. What are the types of angles? Again, acute angle, second, right angle, then obtuse angle, then straight angle, then reflex angle, then complete angle, last zero angle. Then how many? In 180 degree, a straight angle has how many right angles in a straight angle? How many right angles in a straight angle? How many right angles to make a straight angle? How many right angles to make a straight angle? 2 right angles. This is one, this is one. 2 right angles make a one straight angle. Understand you? Then how many right angles make a complete angle? How many right angles to form a complete angle? How many? 4 right angles to form a complete angle. Understand you? Then these are the angles of the types of angles. You understand it? What is an angle? What is the types of angles? These are the angles. Okay. Thank you.